welcome back to Mommy's Designs and DIYs. Today, as I promised, we're going to be talking about the breakdown of the lip balms that I posted the video on that just about a week ago or a week and a half ago. So I'm going to put the link up there. If you haven't seen it, you can go ahead and take a look at that. If you at any point are interested in finding out more about the CBD oil that I use, that's the only one I use, and you can get it at 57% off, but you will need to buy a wholesale amount. Okay, so just you can put a note, you can send me an email, you can reach out to me through Facebook. I'm on Facebook at Mommy's Designs California. You can find me there. And so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you can go ahead and give me thumbs up, if you can subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It's down here. Put the ring the bell on, and if you can share my videos, I will really be always grateful. So this is the breakdown that we're going to do of this item, and as always, let's get to it. Okay, so here we are. The first ingredient that I'm going to talk about is the sweet almond oil. I purchased a bottle of 4 ounces, and the recipe called for 6 tablespoons. 6 tablespoons equals to 3 ounces. So I paid $9.99, $10 even for that. For the 4 ounces, so 3 ounces is $7.50, and I was able to make 10 lip balms with that batch that I made. So each one require 75 cents of sweet almond. The next ingredient is the beeswax. I purchased a 12 ounce bag that cost me $16. And the recipe calls for 9 teaspoons, and 9 teaspoons equals to 1.5 ounces. So that was a total of $1.99 for the 1.5 ounces divided by 10. That's 0.19 cents each. Then I purchased on Amazon, I purchased a bag of 50 vials for the lip balms, and those cost me $10 for 50 pieces. So for 10 of them was $2 divided by 10, so it was 20 cents each vial. Okay, so we are moving on to the 15 milliliter CBD bottle that I used. I paid $50 for a 1,000 milligrams. And then let's see here, and I used a quarter of a bottle, so that was $12.50 divided by 10. It was $1.25 per bath, per lip balm. I guess I'm thinking of bath bombs. Anyways, the rosemary, I purchased a 50 milliliter for $15, and the recipe called for 2 teaspoons that equals about 10 milliliters. So I used $10 of worth of rosemary oil, essential oil, divided by 10, so that's $1 each. Like I said in the video, the vanilla, I only used it for fragrance because the rosemary tends to be a little strong. And I purchased a bottle for 30 milliliters for $10. And I put on the recipe, I put 1 teaspoon that equals 5 milliliters. So $10 divided by 6, it was $1.66. And that divided by 10, it was 16 cents per lip balm. On the labels, I pretty much, because of what I paid for 100 labels, I put the price at 13 cents per page, 13 cents per page plus $1 for the ink. So the total price, all added up per lip balm, it cost me $3.65 each. Okay, and I sell them for $8.50 each. So at $3.65 times 10, I invested $36.50 on making the lip balms, but I sold them for $8.50. So the total amount that I collected was $85. So pretty easy. $85 minus $36.50. My profit was $48.50. So there you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in again, and please make sure to share, like, and subscribe. That really helps me a lot. And thank you so much, and have a blessed day. Goodbye.